ukuchitha isenzo sikaMnumzane Cyril Ramaphosa uMnumzane Julius Malema sokuthumela amasosha kuleli loMzansi Afrika ukuba kahambe eyolekelela amasosha aseDRC empini abakuyo kanye nezwe laseRwanda njengoba ke ethi kuthunyelwa kwalamasosha akile ukuyoletha ukuthula njengoba ke ebeka upresident wakuleli loMzansi Afrika uthi ke wake wezwapho ukuthi ke mangabe kufuneka ukuthula ukuthi ke kuthunyelwe amasosha ukuthi ke awayolwa uthi ke ukuthunyelwa kwalamasosha kuhambele ukuyofikela ama minerals noma ke ukuhwebelana okuphakathi kwezwe laseCongo kanye ke nalabo nama individuals akuleli loMzansi Afrika.
We do not understand and send our soldiers to fight rebels who are more equipped than us. We are being humiliated in DRC and threatened with war by President of Rwanda because our role of peace in the DRC is questionable, because there is no peace that has ever been achieved through the deployment of soldiers. The South African National Defence Force is not in DRC to pursue peace, but we are participating in the decade-old conflict to secure the mineral interest of the capital elite in the Congo. Our soldiers must withdraw from the DRC, not only because they have not been given the necessary equipment to pursue the so-called peace they are there for, but because the motivation to send our forces to the DRC are dishonest. Our children, our sons and daughters of the South African National Defence Force have been sent to their death because the mineral interests of multinational corporations and individuals must be secured. Our soldiers have been sent to be glorified bodyguards of the mines in the DRC, and this mission has been disguised as a pursuit of peace and a defense of democracy. Bring our soldiers home, because our army should not be a pawn in a game of capitalists which has now exposed the weakness of our military capacity. People of South Africa, our nation finds itself in the middle of a war in the Democratic Republic of Congo without a clear explanation as to why. As the EFF, we commend our courageous soldiers who fought bravely and placed their lives on the line in order that they must ensure there is peace and stability in the DRC. Our soldiers are disciplined and could never question those orders, and they have followed these orders with discipline. There can be no doubt that those soldiers who have passed on sacrificed their lives and deserve to be recognized and honored. However, at the heart of the conflict in the Congo is not a desire for peace, but the greed of the West for the minerals wealth of Congo. The DRC is a home of vast reserves of minerals essential for modern technology, including cobalt and tin, titanium and gold. Around 70% of the world cobalt, crucial for electric cars, batteries and smartphones, comes from DRC, yet Congolese people see none of these riches. Instead, multinational corporations and West nations exploit these resources while fueling conflict to maintain their access.